Yeah, it's a girl, Temitope Oluwatomitin, popular known as Moremi. Like here today, I'm here to thank you guys that I really appreciate all your efforts. I really appreciate the love. I appreciate all your kind that you show me. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Mo kí yín ní pé ẹ ṣé ní pé iná ò ní tán ọwọ́ yín. Gbogbo bí tẹ́ ti ń rówó Ọlọ́run ọba ò ní jẹ́ kó dí lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ máa tàtà jèrè ní gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá ń ṣe. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káàárọ̀. Ọmọ yín ni olólùfẹ́ yín Tèmítọ́pẹ́ Olúwatóminsìn tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Mọ́remí. Ẹ káàsán o, ẹ káàárọ̀ o, ẹ kú ìyálẹ̀ta o, ẹ kú dédé àsìkò ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti gbọ́ mi. Peacemaker. I'm here to tell you that my movie, no now, mo appreciate yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lọ bá mi wo fíìmù mi Habibat. Mo máa mọ́ lóore o. Ẹ wò ìkúnlẹ̀ mi lélẹ̀. Thank you for the support. Thank you for always coming out to support me in a big way. Thanks for the love. Thank you for the share. Thank you for the comment. I really appreciate you guys. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o fún pé ẹ lọ bá mi wo sinimá mi Habibat. Habibat yìí mo like gbogbo comment yín tẹ́ fún mi lórí ẹ̀. Thank you so much. A lot of people outside that have been asking me that what is happening in Habibat? Why Habibat is so harsh like this? Kí tiẹ̀ ló ṣe gan tó fi burú? Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ máa mọ̀ tẹ́ bá ti dé inú party. Because party is coming out soon. Everybody have been asking that who is Ìyá Ṣàngó? Ta ló ń jẹ́ Ìyá Ṣàngó gangan nínú fíìmù yìí? Ipa wo ni Ìyá Ṣàngó kó nínú fíìmù yìí? You can't know it now until the part 2 is out. Part 2 dẹ̀ máa tó jáde very soon. Àwọn èèyàn béèrè pé kí ló ti Ṣáwù fi pa ọmọ ẹ̀? Kí ló ti Ṣéwù ò fi ní pa ọmọ ẹ̀? Wàhálà Habibat ti pọ̀ jù náà. Nítorí pé wàhálà Habibat pọ̀ jù ní Ṣéwù fi pa. But don't let me just go there. Ẹ má béèrè lọ́mọ pé kí n má tù fún yín. I won't tell you now. Is a kí ni mo bá ń ṣe kí ni mo bá ń fi pamọ́ di inú part 2. A lot of people have been asking that kí ló dé tí Sídì yẹlẹ́jọ́ gbogbo wa láti mọ̀ wọn àǹtí Kẹ́mi tí gbogbo wa la mọ̀ wọn àǹtí Sídì àmọ̀pé máa ń wúwẹ̀. That is how she's doing her things o. Bí àǹtí Sídì ṣe máa ṣe ni ẹlẹ́nu tó ni wọ́n màrí mà sọ ni wọ́n. So a lot of things wọ́n máa ṣe. So a lot of people have been asking that pé kí ló dé tí Sídì wa lọ ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn. I did not know because mi ò rán wọn iṣẹ́. Èmi ò rán àǹtí Sídì níṣẹ́ láti máa gbowó káàkiri. Ó kàn wù wọ́n láti máa díṣẹ́ ara wọn. But let's wait for the part 2 ká wo ìgbẹ̀yìn àǹtí Sídì. Ẹni tó bá ń ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ kí la mọ̀ tó máa gbẹ̀yìn. I won't tell you now. Just wait till the part 2. You will see what is going to happen to àǹtí Sídì. Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Sisi Quadri? Sisi Quadri tó ń sọ nǹkan tó jí ẹ̀ ò tó. Nǹkan tí ò mọ̀ ló ń sọ kiri. Kí lẹ rò pé ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí náà? Just wait for the part 2. You will see what is going to happen to Sisi Quadri in the part 2. Please guys, I love you. You know I love you now. You always there to support me. And I appreciate it. Ẹ ṣé gan, mo dúpẹ́. Iná ò ní tán ọwọ́ yín o. Kí tiẹ̀ ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Àbẹ̀ní Àgbọ̀n gan? Ẹ mọ̀ pé àti rí Àbẹ̀ní Àgbọ̀n rárá. Àbá ti rí wọn ni. Àti rí wọn rárá nínú part 1. Inú 2 láti máa mọ lọ́mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Àbẹ̀ní Àgbọ̀n. Kí tiẹ̀ ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sọ́mọ ẹ̀ gan? We never know. Àbí ṣá ti mọ̀ ni? Àti mọ̀. Please my guy, let's hit 1 million now. We can do it. We can say we can do it. You can hit 1 million. A lot of things like this. Help me to watch it. Share, like, comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to share it and go and watch my movie Habibat. I love you guys. You are always be there for me. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the word of encouragement. It always make me feel good. Èmi náà tí ẹ feel on top the world pé mo mọ nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe. Ẹ ṣé gan ni mo really appreciate. A lot of people have been commenting on the part 1 that Habibat like mo appreciate yín. Ẹ ṣé gan, mo appreciate yín. Thanks for the love. But there's only one thing I'm here to do is just to beg you. Kí mo wá bẹ̀ yín pé please and please, for the sake of God, ẹ bá mi share fíìmù yìí. We can do it now. We can hit 1 million. A lot of people outside there have not watched it. Tell a friend to go and watch my movie Habibat. Let's hit 1 million. You can do it for me. You can do it for me. You know I love you. Gbogbo work of encouragement stand for me. More appreciate them. You know when it comes to Moremi, when you watch it, you all message me that this is what you're supposed to do. This is how you're going to support it. And I did it. I appreciate you all. In Moremi, a lot of people are calling, message me that you did that. So now I'm here, my own movie. It's my production, Habibat. Please, go outside there, go on YouTube on Yoruba to watch my movie. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ lọ bá mi wò. Ẹ̀yin daddy mi, ẹ̀yin mummy mi, ẹ̀yin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ẹ̀yin brother mi, please go outside and watch my movie. Now, this is the only way you can help my career. This is the only way you can support me. This is all you can do for me to let it raise me. No, this is all you can do for me. This is the least you can do for me. Just go and watch my movie. Comment, keep comment. I appreciate all your comments on it. I really appreciate you. Keep liking and keep sharing. Thank you. And me coming here today, I come here for 2 reasons. I want you guys to go and watch my movie on Yoruba Habibat. And if you want to tell me anything, you want to ask me anything, like where I sọ fún mi pé in your next production you have to do this, you have to do that. This is bó ṣe yẹ kéèyàn máa ṣe lélẹ̀ in production. Just go to my Instagram. You will see my Instagram handle below. If you want to message me on WhatsApp, you will see my WhatsApp there. If you want to go to my page on Facebook, you will see it there. And I don't mind though. If you wanted to give me a gift on my next production, I appreciate you. You are welcome. If you want to be my EP, what do I mean about EP? If you want to be the executive producer of my next movie, I'm here available. Please come outside hall and support my career. Come outside hall and let's make things together. Let's work together as a team. You are welcome. You are welcome to let's work together as a team. I appreciate you guys. I really love you. It's your girl, Temitope Oluwatomise Moremi. Thank you.